Every day we drive the most important kind of cargo, people, who trust us to have things under control. Therefore, tires are not just an item on the list, it's a top priority. The greatest compliment we can get is that our passengers have enjoyed their journey without any worries. For some, it's about spending quality time with their travel companions. For others, it's about sitting in silence, listening to a great podcast while the world passes by. We welcome everyone in our buses. Regardless of who we are riding with and where we are going, one thing is guaranteed: we will get you there safely. This is our mission, and we will strive for this every single day. It's crucial for me to be at the front and clearly show the way. My approach is the same today as it was 26 years ago when I founded Anchersen. We must be purposeful and ambitious. We must be market leaders, and we must do our best every single day. Otherwise, we will not grow or learn. This is why we only work with companies that put quality and safety first. We challenge our business partners and suppliers every single day. We do not compromise. We always strive for the best, which ensure our passengers have the best experience. This means that we have extremely high demands regarding the products on our buses. We always test the products to make sure they meet our standards, and we do not settle until we are 100% satisfied. The transport of the future requires constantly awareness of how we can optimize and improve our company. We always look for solutions and tools that can make our product better, and that's a responsibility we gladly take on. Running a business like mine is not something I take lightly. We are in constant motion and development. And we don't just sit in the back of the bus while we wait for things to be fixed. We sit at the front, and we are staying here.